Today, we'll embark on a journey to enhance your Alchemer surveys with enticing incentives, ensuring a boost in response rates and valuable insights. To begin, let's navigate to the appyRewad dashboard and click on the New Campaign button. We'll select Webhooks as the integrated platform, enabling seamless integration with Alchemer. Next, choose the type of reward campaign that suits your needs. Whether it's Tango reward links, digital gift cards, or prepaid cards, appyRewad has a solution for every preference. Fill out the campaign details, including the campaign name, desired gift type, and the country where the gifts will be used. Specify the campaign's start and end dates, ensuring you select the appropriate time zone. Click Next to proceed to the rules setup. Here, you'll determine the number of respondents to reward, select the desired gift, and fix its value. Once satisfied, click Next to validate and save the rules. Now, let's empower your campaign with automated workflows by activating webhooks. Simply toggle the Activate Webhooks switch to the On position. Next, customize the content of the email that will be sent to grateful respondents. Craft a message that expresses appreciation and provides clear instructions on how to claim their rewards. Copy the dedicated reward link provided by appyRewad. This link will serve as the bridge between appyRewad and your Alchemer survey. Head over to your Alchemer survey and navigate to the Actions section, starting from the thank you message. Paste the dedicated reward link into the webhooks action. This will ensure that rewards are automatically distributed by email to each respondent. Learn how to add a reward link to your Alchemer survey with webhooks in part 2 of this video series.